Hey everybody, welcome back to the shed. Got a couple of quick videos for you. I got the cowling cut, got the engine in. Cowling fits perfect on here. There's a lot of people thinking maybe the cowling was wrong because it is for the wrong plane, but the cowling fits absolutely perfect on there. I had to cut a little bit away to get the head sticking out, which, because of the bigger engine sizes, that I put in here. They're supposed to have a 40. I put the 74 strokes in there. But maybe I could have mounted it upside down and it still would have came out, but then I'd have had a problem with the carburetor being lined up with the fuel tank. So that's just the way it is the way it is. I've got the top. I've got to shape it for access, so at least I can see my fuel tank when I'm filling it up. The servo still to hook up. I've also worked on I got my landing gear installed on the other side. I'll show another video. I'm not going to stand here and try to flip that wing over to show it to you, but I wanted to show you the cowling. It fits real nice on there. It does. Another thing is that, well, I can take the nose cone off, maybe. Let's see. I actually had, I'm going to have to put a spacer. I actually had enough room I could move. Remember, I cut the engine mount away a little bit, and I put the engine all the way back against the back firewall. I could have actually moved it forward a little bit. I'm gonna have to get a spacer right here or someplace to move the nose of where the prop out. So I actually had a ton of room, a lot more room than I originally thought. There's the engine mounted. If I can get this bad boy off of here. Kind of hard to do all this with one hand. Let's see what I can do here. There's the engine mounted. Here's my igniter. And this is the wiring for the synchronizer, which I still have to put in yet. Hope you can see that. I don't know if that helps or not. I don't know. But the cowling is perfect for this plane. I got a little bit more planking to do, then put the vent underneath it. And holy moly, got the cowling actually put on. Here's my the carburetor linkage for the coming out. Shape the top of my thing. I got some magnets the other day. I'll probably put magnets down on this. Not 100% sure yet. But I'll make another quick video. I'll flip it over, show you my air retracts I installed in the wheel wells. They're just about done. We'll talk about that when I flip it over. But I wanted to show you I'm still working on it. Still struggling away. A little bit as I can, but we're getting there. Got the wing tip on. Don't have it quite shaped yet. I figured out the ailerons on it. But that's where we're at. Alright everybody, I'll make another video in an hour or so. Post this one and post one of the retracts. How I got it cut out and the size of the retract underneath it. Alright. Any questions, comments, whatever you got. That's where we're at. Alright everybody. We'll see you in a little bit. Bye.